Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted an amazing rotating puzzle board. This is like pro level. So it comes with this cover that you can put on your puzzle when you're not working on it. It's going to keep it clean and keep everything where it needs to be. This comes in different sizes for 1,000, 1,500, or 2,000 pieces. It's so awesome for a rainy day or a winter project, and it comes in two colors, so definitely check that out. We love the drawers on this. You have drawers that pull out on both sides and at the top and the bottom. So you get 6 drawers total, and they have felt covering. So your puzzle pieces are going to stay in place and you can get super organized. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you up close what the drawers look like. And they have this really clever like Velcro system to keep the drawer intact when you are rotating it when the drawers are closed. You get 360 degrees lazy Susan rotation, so everyone in your home can work together. I love that you have 4 edges on this so that your puzzle is not going to go anywhere. And the craftsmanship on this is amazing. This is solid wood and it is just really, really nice. So again, it comes with a cover that has this sticky-ish back to it, a little texture to it, not really sticky. So that's going to go on top of the puzzle. The board comes like this. You have the little felt things on here if you wanted to set that directly on your table. It's going to protect that. I chose to put the Lazy Susan on, of course, and it just Velcros on, and you can take that off if you don't want to use that for whatever reason. You do need to put the little door handles on. That's super easy to do. It comes with screws and with the little knobs, and you just go ahead and you put that together. And I do love this next piece, this Velcro piece. This is such a clever design because this is going to keep the drawers closed. Here's a close-up of all of the color boards that you get. This is so well designed and is just such a great upgrade for all of our puzzling. We are loving it and we think that you will too. Definitely check this one out. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. I love it.